Good morning, everybody. Naya, this is my sad duty to inform you that one of our passengers sadly passed away last night. Tragic as it is, it was due to natural causes, we believe.
I didn't see anyone showing any symptoms, but one person unfortunately passed away on 12th of April, and the wife of that person also passed away right after we disembarked in St. Helena. We had actually a lot of relationships with other passengers, so I have contact, and now they are being very good isolation, and they are now applying the necessary cautions. They're not, in my view, are not scared of the virus itself, but they're just confused about the following day.